have a dream. This nation will rise up, live out the true meaning of its creed, that all men are created equal.
I grew up during the pre-civil rights era. I know what it is to live in a separate world based upon my race. I went to an all-black high school in Annapolis. It was the only high school for African American students for the entire county. I grew up in that era, and my thought was, I would like to see a different world. My first aspiration was to become a teacher, and I did in fact teach school for 5 years. Later, a friend of mine suggested that I consider law school. So I became one of the first African American female attorneys in the state of Maryland.
When someone comes into our office, they need someone who's going to advocate for them. They need someone who is going to make right what is wrong, to bring about some sense of calm and peace, to give them a sense that everything is going to be all right. It's trying to get them back to where they see some regularity, they see some hope, they see some light at the end of the tunnel.
I was driving on Route 50 and a car came straight across the highway in front of us, so I T-boned that car. I had constant pain, I lost rotation in my hip, and as a dance teacher, I was concerned about the length of my career and being able to perform my job correctly. I hired the law offices of Addison Darden to help me with my case. From our very first meeting, they helped me figure out which doctors I needed to go to, what physical therapist I needed to see. So it was kind of like the weight of the world was off my shoulders. I highly recommend the law offices of Addison Darden. They are so knowledgeable, they take care of their clients well. There's no one else I would ever go to.
If you're seeking an attorney and you have been injured, whether it's by a product, whether it's by a vehicle or someone's negligence, contact us because we care. And we know what it is to see someone who is injured and anxious and concerned. And we make it our business to try to let them know that they're in good hands with us, because it's our job to see that they're compensated, that they're cared for, and they're put back whole as much as we can possibly do for them. And we will do it.